Be who you are, family. Don't explain who you are, because people are still going to place their judgments. So you live it. And once they think that you are this certain person, and eventually seeing your lifestyle and what you're doing, they're going to be like, oh, I was wrong. That's what he was about. That's what she was about. But if you just tell them, you can tell them, like, till you blue in the face, and they'll misguard it. And later, once they find out, they were like, that's what she said. That's what he said. They actually did it. You know what I mean? So I have learned, family, you're only going to waste time. You're only going to get frustrated. You're only going to diminish who you are by trying to explain who you are to somebody. Don't even try to explain it to them, fam. Just live it. You know, that's what I learned in this day and age, that it's better to just lead by example, fam. And I want to say this. You have to get secure at who you are. Like, you have to be at peace with who you are before you get to sharing certain information with certain people, because if you're not rooted and grounded in what you believe in and you don't stand strong, a person can sway you. Evil is strong, fam. Evil energy, bad energy is strong. So, you know, it's kind of, have you ever witnessed two magnets? They won't connect, but they'll push each other. They'll push off from one another. That's kind of how it is when bad energy and good energy collides, fam. So watch what you share with people, fam. Especially if you're not strong in your faith. Especially if you're not rooted and grounded and established. So when the wind blow and circumstances happen and life happen, it won't just toss you over to the side. It won't be like a tornado and just straight uproot you and throw you over into some more trees. So make sure you're rooted and grounded, and don't allow other people's opinion, other people's view of what you're doing, discourage you from doing what you are doing. Just keep that in mind, fam. You know, I was talking to a young king today, and I just told him, King, if I could give you any advice, I would tell you to stop telling your left hand what your right hand doing, especially until it's already done. Because once it's done, fam, ain't nothing can be done. You know what I mean? It's done now. It's evident. You see what I'm saying? But if you try to tell certain things, reveal certain business plans or ventures or ideas prematurely, 9 times out of 10, fam, it can get knocked down or kicked down, or you can get discouraged and abort the mission. And it'd probably be a faithful, legit mission, but somehow you didn't talk yourself out of it because someone else didn't believe they could do it. So they didn't believe you can do it. You see what I'm saying? So just keep that in mind, fam. And I just want to say, keep getting your hog on. This is actually Juneteenth weekend, so salute to all my Black, African American, Native American people who are in the struggle. Hey, fam, it's time for us to enjoy a great weekend.